Today I've got a Yale laminated padlock. It's a standard laminated padlock, this one, but Yale have put a big lump of black plastic on the bottom of it to make it look fancy. And to be honest, it don't look too bad. It's a Y127/45 model. It's amazing what you can do with a bit of plastic. That's the keyway for it, and they've even incorporated a little sliding keyway cover. So we're going to pick this one open in a minute using the old half diamond hacksaw blade pick, but first of all I'll show you the bitting on the key and I'll show you it working. So the tension tool's that one I made recently. Just put a couple of bends in it. So I'm going to tension it up like that. And then we're going to see if the old half diamond will get it open. Three security pins in here. Sort of medium tension. Got a little bit of movement then. It normally drops into quite a deep full set, which we've not gone into, but I did get a little bit of movement out of it. Back into a bit of a full set. I think I've overset that back pin, so I'm just going to drop the tension off. Back into a full set. Bit of counter. Putting up a decent fight is this. Now we've gone back into a deep full set. So let's get this open there. Yeah, not actually too bad to pick that one. So that is a Yale Y127/45 picked open with the old homemade half diamond hacksaw blade pick. That's it for now anyway. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.